Hello guys, welcome to Cook with Oma. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making our Christmas Chinchin. Oh, if you are a Nigerian or you are living in any other country as a Nigerian, you know how we value our Chinchin during Christmas. One of the snacks we like making during Christmas. So keep on watching as I take you through the process of making this simple Chinchin. You are all welcome to my channel. Please click the like button as we go forward. I have my flour here. I have 3 models of flour here, about equivalent to 6 cups. Big tin tomato 6 cups. Sorry, did I say 6 cups? About 12 cups. Yeah. Here I have my butter, 2 sachets of King's butter. I have 7 eggs here. I have I have milk, 1.5 cup of pig milk. I have the grated nutmeg. I have my baking powder and 3 cups of granulated sugar. So keep on watching, guys. You will enjoy this video. Please click the like button, subscribe, share my videos. Oh, that's my flour. That's me starting to mix the dry ingredients, going with my grated nutmeg. Going with 1 cup of 1.5 cup of the milk. I mix and mix. Yeah, make sure nothing is sticky. I mixed. So now I'm mixing. You can see I'm mixing the dry ingredients now. So the next thing for me to add now is my baking powder. I go in with a tablespoon and a half. So the next one is I need to add a pinch of salt to this. Yes, I need to add a pinch of salt. Where is my salt? Oh, where is my salt? Oh, let me grab my sauce, guys. My salt, that's the salt. Adding just a pinch. Now it's time for me to mix my butter and the sugar. So now I'm using my whisker, this kitchen whisk. Oh, on this day there is no light. Oh, what did I do to NEPA? I'm supposed to be using my electric mixer to mix this, but there is no light. Oh, let me switch over to using my hands, Jerry. So now I'm using my hands to mix this butter. Sorry, to mix this butter and sugar. I mix and mix and mix as though I was going to make cake. So now it's time for me to crack the eggs. I asked my daughter to do that for me. So she has finished cracking the eggs now, about 7 eggs. I'm pouring it into the butter now. So I'll go ahead and mix again. Mix thoroughly until everything is dissolved. So I'm mixing it now. I'm mixing it now. You can see me trying to combine everything. Make sure they are properly combined. As if you are going to make cake. But this one is for Chinchin. So I know there are many ways, different ways people make their Chinchin, but this is one of the ways, so you can try it at home if you wish. So now I'm trying to pour in my butter and sugar now into the dry ingredient, which is the butter and other dried ingredient that I've earlier added. So now I'm pouring it into the flour now, trying to mix it. Mixing it now. You can see me trying to mix it now. Pour on every side so that when you are mixing it will be very easy for you to mix. So I'm trying to mix it now. Mix it. I want to get out everything I have in this bowl. Nothing goes to waste. This regime is oh, they know the third person. So I'm trying to get out everything out of this bowl. Nothing goes to waste. If I tell you how much it cost me to make this Chinchin, you won't believe it. but it's just that it has become a ritual in my home. Even if we don't cook rice, but see this chinchin, we'll have to make it. So I mix and mix. It's not time for me to add water. And remember, when you're making your chinchin, you don't just pour a bowl of water. You add water gradually, trying to mix the bowl, to rinse the bowl I used to crack my eggs. So added that water. Now I'm going to add more water. I'm going to add more water as time goes on, little by little, because if you pour excess water, it's going to affect the mixture. So you now start looking for more flour, more ingredients to add. So here I'm mixing it. I went in with my two hands. At a point, I off my camera and I went down and make sure I mix this properly. So here am I now mixing it, making sure everything is properly combined. You can see now, yes, I'm done mixing it. You can see how clear it is. I just pinch out some to check if everything have been properly combined. So I'm mixing now, mixing it. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bowl, nothing is sticking to your hands, your fingers. Make sure your hands are clean. See my hands now. See how clean they are. Nothing is sticking anywhere. So it's now time to cut this chinchin. I pour some flour on the surface. I've already cleaned the surface. I was using bottle here. Oh my! I'm yet to get the rolling pin, so I have to manage what I have here. You can see I'm rolling it now with my bottle. It's time to cut it. I have to cut it on a chopping board. Cut it in strips. After cutting in strips, I make sure everything is smooth. Make sure your knife is very sharp when you are cutting chinchin. So now I'm cutting in cubes now. So this is what I have to do for all this chinchin, for all this dough I have here, sorry. So I have to cut all of this. At a point I called my children, they assisted me in cutting this. So this is all we are doing now. We have a lot on this day to do. We have a lot to do today, so trying to be fast. So I engage almost all of them. We cut all, and now we are frying it. Sorry, I didn't show you before pouring the first batch into the oil. Make sure you are frying on a low heat. So I keep on stirring. From time to time, I'll come and stir. So fry and pour in a sieve. I poured it in a sieve after removing this batch to cool down. So here is the chinchin in my tray now. Just spread it on this tray to get dry, to get cool. So now voila, our chinchin is ready. Look at what we got. We got a custard, 2.5 custard. If you enjoy watching this video, please click the like button, subscribe, leave a comment and share my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So as you can see, this is the desired shape that I wanted. So this is just a sample, so I'm going to just go ahead and do the same for the remaining part of my dough. Roll it out and cut it. So guys, we have finished rolling and cutting. My kids are still at the table cutting and rolling the remaining parts, but not to waste any time, we did a sort of division of labor. So I'll be frying the chinchin and they will be cutting and rolling to make it faster. So you want to put your oil on a low heat, to not too hot, and be sure. So guys, this is our chin chin. This is what
So
we
if you
got
enjoyed
out
this
of this
video,
chin
be sure
chin.
to like, subscribe.
What is going on? What is going on, Uzoma? It's just moving. Wait,
Press pause now.
where?
It's pause, sir.
Where? Uzoma? Ha! Wow. What is even going on? Che, wahala. Ha! Video is wrong.
Yeah, cut some of this part.
See, see, just see, just see. I got this feeling that it's turn around. I'm going to the beginning.
Okay.
I can't even play it though. See, I can't even play.
If you come out now, the voice will go.
I don't even know. I cannot
What
press
happened?
anything. I got this feeling that it's
Why are they showing this brain?
I feel adventurous with you.
That's the only to show when she's on the call.
Being used by